Drill or router your drainage slots into the frame, then we can add the track. Cut the track from the top of the mitre to the top of the mitre, pushing it into place. Slide 4 hinge plates into the profile. If this door had a sliding post, we will be putting wool pile in here before we put the door together. Apply the chevrons to the sides. The hole is in the centre of the cleats this time, so it doesn't matter which way around they go. Place 2 into the ends of each length of the profile and repeat the process on the other side. Before putting the frame together, silicone the entire circumference and make sure to fill any chamber where there is drainage. Fix the frame together and screw each of the corners, making sure to line up the edges. Apply a flipper gasket around the upstand of the frame, cutting the ends at 45 degrees.